This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Beautifully maintained home. The first floor bedroom will make a great guest room or office. 3 full bathrooms, lovely stainless steel appliances with an open floor plan. Pack your things, it's time to move. This home is move-in ready. The market is hot, and this one will go fast. Located in Rose Garden Estates, a lovely community with low HOA fees near I-64, I-664 and I-264. 10 minutes from Greenbrier Mall, close proximity to Chesapeake and Oak Grove parks. A lovely backyard great for entertaining or relaxing. Make this your first stop. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549